Hey guys, welcome to Manoeuvre. This is Advocate Nisha Lotia and my today's video is about prep strategy of English section for CLAT and MHCET 5 years 2020 entrance exam. But first of all, let me wish you guys all the best for your board exams. Prep smart and I'm sure you guys will score really better. Now coming back to the entrance exam, I understand that the time gap between the board exams and the entrance exams is very less. So it will be very much important for you guys to kickstart your preparations as soon as your board exams are done. And to enroll yourself in the top law colleges, you have to achieve 120 marks out of 150. 120 तो minimum आपको लाना है. अगर आपका 120 target रहा तो you will be landing up somewhere between 110 and 120, which is very much important and crucial to enroll yourself in one of the best colleges, whereby आपके career को start होने से पहले ही एक boost मिल जाएगा. And it is not impossible to achieve this target, guys, if you are aware about the syllabus and you have a proper mentor to guide you with the proper syllabus. So the preparation strategy, it's going to be so strong that it will be very easy for you guys to score the required target. Now guys, for here, as I mentioned that syllabus is one of the most important part for any preparation strategy. So here in this video, in this slide, I'm going to discuss about the entire syllabus. So if you go through this syllabus in a part, like you can see here I have divided English into 4 parts. So if you're going to go part wise, you're going to divide the syllabus, then the preparation will be really easy, and you can also focus on the subjects which are in the topics which you are weak, and can also strengthen the topics which you are strong. So both the things it's gonna help out here. Now for the first understand for MHCET 5 years and CLAT, the preparation strategy is going to be the same, the syllabus is also going to be the same. Okay, so the vocabulary, from the vocabulary you have to do synonyms, which means the same meaning of the words, antonyms, which means the opposite meaning. Now to solve antonyms, you have to first, it is important that you know the synonym of that word. Okay, then only you can give a closer answer to your antonyms. Then is your analogies. Analogies is nothing but the relationship between the two given categories. Okay, now fill in the blanks. Now these are not the normal fill-ups, guys. These are your fill-ups coming from the closed test. Now what is the closed test? Closed test, you see, then it is not a dictionary word. There is no Z in it. It is always CLOSE. Okay, so closed test is something what the examiners themselves have set the language. Here it is absolutely on vocabulary. The 4 options provided through MCQs are going to be so close knit that it is really difficult for you to choose to the correct option. So to come to the better accuracy, you have to know the subject matter, the grammar of it, and also whether the sentence is positive or negative. So if the sentence is positive, all the negative options will get eliminated. So these are few techniques what I'm mentioning over here. But when you join us, say the online program or the offline program, the classroom programs, then we give you such a correct therapy how you have to solve it, whereby in minimum time you will have the highest accuracy. So this is very important to understand the question types. Okay, next comes is the English proficiency. Now in English proficiency, you have idioms and phrases. These are not the regular ones, they are really out of the box, and in our Manoeuvre's book we have very good content which we discuss in elaborate in our classroom sessions also. Okay, so idioms and phrases is something that you have to keep on reading, and reading what? But reading the right content. That is very important when it comes to entrance exam. Next is your sentence improvement. Sentence improvement is again your grammar based, where the 4 options will be provided, and you have to understand which is the proper suited grammatically correct option for the better MCQ answer. Now next is your paragraph jumble. This is the higher version of sentence jumbling, what we used to do in our school days. Over here 5 to 6 sentences will be provided to you, and the sentences itself internally are all okay, but they are jumbled up. The sequencing is required over here. So the time won't permit you to go for the each and entire word of the sentence. So here there are some techniques which you use, then paragraph jumbles can be solved in few minutes. So paragraph jumbles is again one of the most dominant part after your reading comprehension, and it is a must question. मतलब ये question आता ही आता है. You can't ignore paragraph jumbles. Next comes is the English usage errors. Over here there are two topics which they can cover under this topic is spotting errors. This is nothing like but your error detection, whereby a sentence is given to you which is fragmented into 5 parts, and applying the grammar you have to answer in which part there is an error. Okay, so here in Manoeuvre we discuss the first 2 lectures for English is always about your grammar. एक बार आपका grammar सही हो गया, then any of the variation questions what they provide, it is an entrance exam, so you can always expect some variations from the normal question types. So but if your grammar is powerful, you can answer any of the variations. Next is the choose as directed. Now in choose as directed, they give you the options: choose which is a correct sentence, or choose which is a negative statement, incorrect statement. So out of the 4 MCQs they provide, you have to apply grammar rules and do as they are directing you. So this is something from the English usage errors. Now over here is the English comprehension. Abhi, this year the CLAT consortium has said that the entire English paper, the entire law paper will be based on your reading skills. Okay, there are no memory based questions now, no static GK. So the entire paper is on your reading. So English comprehension always used to play a dominating role, but now with this announcement, the latest changes, I think everybody are aware about it. So those changes, reading comprehension will now gain a more weightage. Already a dominating part tha, but now it will really have a stronger point to solve. So you guys will be at edge because as you are already in the examination mode because of your 12th preparation, so you guys have to still keep on reading. वो आपका grip नहीं जाना चाहिए. You have to keep reading. If you read properly in English, the maximum of the questions can be solved very easily, guys. So what is reading comprehension? How it is different from your school days, guys? Over here you have to grasp, with the intellect. आपको बहुत reading के साथ ही आपका understanding होना चाहिए. Next is regular reading, utmost important. You read the papers like the Hindu. उसमें आप आपका हेडलाइंस पढ़ लीजिए, फिर एडिटोरियल कट पेज पढ़ लीजिए. टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया है आपका, इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स है, बट द हिंदू इज मोस्ट रिकमेंडेड. देन कम्स अंडरस्टैंडिंग द मेन आइडिया. ओवर हियर at entrance level they don't give you underlying meanings very explicitly. You have to make out reading between the lines, okay, and understanding the question posed. This is very important because questions are not the regular ones. They are like which is not the true statement or which is not the false statement. So understanding the question is very important when it comes to reading comprehension. So over here I have given you the overall look about how English you have to study, and for this we have also launched a crash course keeping in mind your examination dates, the 12th board examination dates, and the batches starts from 18th March, guys. And we have very few seats, only 50 seats. So because we here at Manoeuvre give personal attention to everybody, so beyond this we cannot manage. So if you're I would advise you to register as soon as the day you are watching this video, because there are only 50 seats and beyond this we cannot assure any admissions. Now if you are not in Mumbai based and still want to join Manoeuvre's crash course, then you can make the online payment and book your seats. For we are located at Borivali, Dadar and VASAI. So if you'd like to join any of the centers, then you can call on their respective numbers and do the inquiry, guys. But if you wish that our counselor should call you back, then you need to fill up this form which I have given the link in the description, the registration form. Fill up the name, city, location and your contact number, and our counselor will get back to you and provide all the assistance which is required, guys. Now this is to boost our confidence, and we are happy that the trust the people are living on us, like we are getting students from Thane, Pune, Nagpur, Nasik, Navi Mumbai, Palghar, Jalgaon, and some part of Gujarat joining us our full-time course, full year course, the crash course for CLAT and MH Law CET 2020 preparation, guys. We are very happy that people are trusting us so much, and we look forward for such support ahead also. Now, this is again the same information, like if you want to join us for the Borivali batch, then you can call on this number. For the other batch, then you can call us on this number. For VASAI branch, then you can call us on this number. And if in case you cannot join our online program, or you cannot join our this classroom programs or the crash course, then we are pan-India. You can call us on this number, and we provide online all the materials, the mock test, and everything that is required for the entrance exam. So do visit us on these website also, so you can get all the questions solved. Do subscribe this channel for more informations, and do like this video, and do share with your friends and relatives, so when they can benefit from the information. And all the best, and study smart. Thank you.